How to download all photos from Facebook Messenger at once. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged in with a Facebook account that is linked with a Messenger account. Once you're on your home page, navigate to top right corner and tap on the profile icon along with the 3-line icon. That's gonna take you to menu page. Here scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Again tap on settings. Now that will take you to settings and privacy page. Here scroll down and under your information section tap on access your information. Then tap on continue. Once you get to this interface, scroll all the way down and tap on download your information. From here again tap on download or transfer information. From here, choose your Facebook account and then tap on next. Now again select the second option that says specific types of information. Here scroll down a bit and then you have to tap on messages since you want to download the photos from your Messenger account. After that tap on next. Now you have to choose what do you want to do with the information. If you want to download the device, tap on the first option, or if you want to transfer to your destination, select the second option, then tap on next. Now once you land on this interface, it says date range. Tap on it. Now from there, you can choose the period of time from where you would like to download the photos from your Facebook Messenger. After you choose your date range, tap on save. Scroll down a bit, there it says notify. You have to provide the email address that you have access to where you will get the file from Facebook with all your photos from Facebook Messenger. So there make sure to provide your currently available email account. Under that it says format, you have to choose HTML, and under that there is media quality, tap on it. Now you can choose the quality for your media. If you want to have it high quality which might take longer to download, choose the first one, or medium or low. High quality will take longer to download. After that close this. And once it's on, tap on create files. Now it says the information you requested is being processed. So you have to wait until you get a notification from Facebook to your email address. Once you have it, you can have the file ready. You can head over to this page again and here tap on view past request, and if your file is ready, there you will have an option to download your file. Download your file in device and then view all the pictures from Facebook Messenger in that file. So this is the way to download all the photos from Facebook Messenger at once. And hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.